look what we have here today. A banded kukri snake. I once found one of these dead on the street, but this one is alive. Look how she is attacking. And interestingly, she was like, you see what she's doing with her tail, quite similar to a rattlesnake, but of course this one is not dangerous. But still, I'm not going to touch her because she is still very aggressive. Maybe we can let her relax a little bit. And then try to touch her. This here, as you know already, maybe this is our snake reporter here. So he is immediately alarming us when he sees a snake. This one, he's a little bit a scared guy. Yeah, always keeping distance. Yeah, banded kukri. I first thought I have a rattlesnake here, but rattlesnakes do not exist in Thailand. That's a North American thing. But what? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. How aggressive. Why did you come? What did you want to find here? Did you want to find the jinjok? What did you want to do? Look who is here. Can I? Boki? Boki, our snake hunter. Doesn't matter what he finds, he's always alarming us. Okay, so as I'm alone here and I don't want to get a bite, even if it's not dangerous, we will catch her still somehow with my tool and then bring her into the nature. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I see you next time.